Welcome back. Welcome back. Morning coffee. It's a must. It's a requirement. I'm concerned because I've been talking to my dispatcher for the last few days, pretty much every day of this year, about finding a load out of California, going wherever. I'm sure he's been working on it. I got empty yesterday, tried to call him yesterday afternoon, couldn't get a hold of him. That's not uncommon. I'll probably talk to him today, but I'm sure he'll tell me, well, nothing yet, and, whatnot. We'll see what happens Monday. We'll just see how this goes. I made my list. I got stuff I got to do this weekend, stuff I can do, things to do. I'm going to eat my biscuits and gravy. Yummy. Actually does smell pretty good. She said there was a fork in here, and there is not. There's only a spoon. I got a knife, no fork. We'll see how this goes. I hope wherever you are, you're having a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get into it. We're going to find us a load. Toby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Toby! This dog's on a mission. This dog is yanking me all over the place. Here we are, we're finally... We don't have a lot of grass around here. Come on, Toby. Everything's hardscape. There's the 99 behind us. My arm is getting tired. Toby! I'm going to put this thing away and get this dog the R&R he needs, and then we're going to get busy. Come on, Toby. Good boy. Oh. Gotta lift him down. Hey, what are you doing? There he goes. Come here. Hey, get over here. All right. I got my keys. We're going to open up all these trailer doors, and we are going to do something. Oh. Doors are sticky. Still here. Had to latch it. All right. Let me show you what we got going on here. It is a mess. We got to get it all cleaned up. But I'm going to do it different this time. Let me get into this. And as I kind of start to get through this, I'll bring you in and show you where my head's at. right, I'm not gonna finish today. As you can see in the little time lapse, that was a lot of work. I'm gonna close this trailer up, go do something inside the truck because I'm no spring chicken. We'll get back to this tomorrow. Good morning. Ready for round two? Get all this trash up here. Even though this looks like a complete mess, the hard part is done. I've got a lot of work to do in here. Basically get all this trash kind of condensed in these boxes, get the rest of my equipment kind of sorted up, put away. Then this should all be clean. I'm going to get to work, try and get this knocked out, and then we'll move on to something else. Maybe, potentially, I don't know. What a chore! But it's done. It is finished. Let me show you what we did here. The deck area is all cleaned. As you can see, all the way to the back. Got my ladder here. Pads all sorted. My rubber bands, my 2 rubber band hook. This hook right here actually will, I can take this inside. It's got a leg on it. Pretty snazzy. These are my curb ramps. These are just for, like what it sounds like, going up a curb or one step. And here I keep my rug runners. Here I keep tarps for mattresses if I need them. And then this is all my tools, drills, tunes. You got to have tunes, straps, and other sort of stuff. Extension cord. That comes in handy sometimes. Obviously, that's my broom. Moving back. So this is all the trash and debris. There's my dog. And then over here, this is my packing material, hump strap. That is extra pack out box. Each of those is broken. So I'm going to take them home and use them at home. And then my door spreader. Hopefully I'll be able to show you this in action one day in a video. But handy little piece of gear to have. That's it. That's my trailer all cleaned up and ready to go. And you got to admit, it looks pretty awesome. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, come on. There you go. Come on. No. Toby. Oh. He gets excited when you shuffle your feet. He likes that. Toby. He likes to pull too. You'll never guess what we're doing. You know, when you're waiting for a load, it's like the movie Groundhog Day. Every day's the same. You wake up, you drink coffee, try and get stuff done, you get bored, you go to bed. Rinse, lather, repeat. It's not all bad though. I make it sound worse than it is. Toby sees a little rat dog over there in the neighbor's fence. He is going nuts. Toby! No! This is the only grassy area where he can do his thing. Hello! I have been editing for the last, hey Toby, the last 12 I have been editing for the last who knows how long. It's been a minute. My brain's mush. I'm gonna switch it up. I think I'm gonna pull over there and get this truck and trailer washed. Feel like we actually accomplished something today. This whole editing thing, we started out with 53 minutes of film footage that I put in there. And I've cut it down a whopping 49 minutes and 41 seconds. So I've cut 3.5 minutes out. Let's go wash a truck. It's gonna get wet in here. These guys are getting after it. Nice bright sunny day. There they are. Getting a bath. Let's see what it looks like from the backside. Hopefully I can get my parking spot back over there. They're getting her all set it up. Looking good. What are you nudging me for, huh? What you nudging me for? Woo! Hey. I don't think I picked up this camera at all yesterday. Gotta get that light out of the frame. Oh, there we go. I got my double glasses on so I could see what I was reading. Anyways, I think this video is coming to a close. I do believe that our downtime is about over. We have got some work to do, which means we need to get after it. I think I'm gonna wear those. I am getting some clothes because I'm gonna go take a shower. I might have to find a laundromat here before this trip is over. It's been forever since I've had to hit up a laundromat, but worse things can happen. I am not even going to put the lock on that because I'm empty and I got to put my my dirty skivvies in there. I'm going to run on in here and get this shower and end this video so we can start the next video. All right, I got my shower bag. I'm going to go in here and get the grime off. You always feel better after a nice hot shower. It's a great little truck stop. People here are super friendly. I'm going to get this shower. Okay, this is interesting. This is the tiniest little shower. Super clean, but this is kind of interesting. So just these 5 showers. A little sink to do that. and then the saloon doors to the rest of the restroom. So, hey, it serves its purpose. I mean, I'm not mad at it, but it's a much different setup than what I've seen anywhere else. So then we get cleaned up. I'll catch in with you guys later. Ooh, do I look better or what? Much needed. Let's get out of here. Alrighty, empty my shower bag, just keeping an eye on the pooch. Get our bag out, close this up. One thing we have to do on our way out of town is when I was cleaning up the trailer, I found a couple casters for a bed frame. Toby's sniffing at it. We're gonna run by there, drop that off. Hey, get over here. Toby, I gotta go. Toby, well, that is how you kill 4 days with nothing to do. You find something to do. When you drive across country, it's always nice to have a couple days off just to regroup, reset, get your trailer back in order, ready to go again. That kind of stuff. Usually a good weekend, maybe even a 3-day weekend. And that's the sweet spot, usually. 4 days, but 4.5 days, 5 days, depending on how you want to slice it up. Not horrible. I think for me, 4 days was good. I mean, especially right now, trying to get this editing done. I appreciate y'all watching. I appreciate the hospitality and the kindness of the Valley Fuel Travel Plaza, man. I'm telling you, you're stopping through, stay here. They don't charge for parking. Their place is clean. They're super friendly. Not a huge place, but if I'm coming through here, this will be my stop, that's for sure. So I can't wait to see you in the next one. I'm going to wrap this up because it is time to go to work, and I am super thankful for that. So thanks again. God bless. See you in the next one.